I just got done parking the car, and Bev is trying to get us checked in. The room is in my name because I have Caesar rewards. So trying to get as many points as we possibly can so we can rack up and get some free stuff sooner or later. But this is Vegas. This is us inside the, looks like the lobby area might have a lot of people in it right now. So it's definitely people in Vegas right now, so everybody's out doing their thing, you know. And the good thing is that you don't necessarily have to not go somewhere. If you're gonna wear a mask, you know, just go. Don't go somewhere and be like, nah, I'm not gonna wear a mask. So, and let's see if I can find her. Okay, I see her there. So I'm gonna go try and So if you notice, they actually have, they're checking temperatures. They're taking temperatures here with the little infrared camera thing. So. So welcome to room 10036, basically room 36 on the 10th floor. The door was sealed, so let's go on in. This is a standard king room, and let's start off right when you walk in the door to the right. You have the bathroom with a backlit mirror, which a lot of places have gone to now, backlit mirrors, because those are like the best. You got your towels on the rack down below, and then they have the little magnifying mirror. My wife was already using it, Fed was already using it already, so. Then in the shower, they have everything you need from body wash, conditioner, shampoo. They even got a little spot for you to hang your razors for the ladies, and shampoo if you brought your own shampoo and stuff. Don't have a detachable shower head, man. The only thing that I wish that a lot of hotels do is get a detachable shower head. I feel like those those are the best. Clean, they get you clean and whatnot. So, and right to the left, after you walk into the door, you have your closet. You have everything. You have a drawer. It also had the ironing board. Iron light automatically comes on when you go into it. So, and then it has the suitcase thingamajiggy. As my wife's already opened up her suitcase. So then you have a full-length mirror. All the rooms, I believe, have a joining doors. Not sure, but I believe so. And then we have the king bed. Boom. So, one of the things I've noticed too, and they all have next to the bed, they have the plug and the USB right next to the bed on the shoulders. So, and then of course, you got a little chase table. And then they have a sitting area over there and the TV. Now, when you walk in or when you come into the room, there's a refrigerator inside here. So I always, when I get to rooms, I open the door on the refrigerator if it's inside, because for some reason I believe, and this is my own thinking, that when the door is closed and it's too hot in there, the refrigerator doesn't cool down enough. So I do that. I like to leave it open like that. The next one has the safe, and then just a drawer. Of course, we had to stop and pick up a few things for the room. Got a flat screen on the wall. And then there, so yeah, so we brought extra mask in, but downstairs they have a lot of like mask stations. So, and then there's our view. We have a view of Dreas, the parking lot area, Paris, the top part of Paris, Cosmo over there. That's the top of Cosmopolitan up there. And then there's also Bally's. That little net thing right there that you see, that's Top Golf, where that helicopter's going by right now. They have Top Golf out here. They're open. And then if you look that way, you got nothing but hotel, and I think the Hard Rock is right over there. Yeah, it's got the Hard Rock. So our view isn't necessarily the best, but
I think it's gonna look better at night.
But at nighttime it'll probably, because of course the hotel is going to be lit up. And actually to our right over here as well, there's Caesar's Palace right over there too. So, and that's the strip. So we don't have a strip view, and we also don't have a pool view, but we have a parking lot view. So it's cool. But this is the, and there's some mountains out there, but this is the King Room. And thank you for watching. Go ahead, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And when you come to Vegas, if you want to stay at the Flamingo, this is what the King Room is gonna look like.
Well, the waters come and get next to me. Tell me all your fantasies. See, life is like a movie, and I'ma show you things you probably never seen before. The world is yours, let's go and explore. 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 You know it's time to party when